I'm inviting you to our local home selling webinar where we're going to share with you how to take control of the selling process and to sell your properties while others sit on the market. The reason for a lot of dissatisfaction out there right now is that sellers are typically handing over all the negotiating power to the buyers, and they don't have the tools to overcome this market when it slows down. Instead, I'll share with you strategies sellers are using in this slower market to attract the attention of buyers to their property and possibly creating a competitive situation instead of them competing against you. Methods that are new to this market, such as offer seller financing, offer buyer rate downs, or offering to turn a contingent buyer into a non-contingent buyer, and how to utilize staging to get the most out of the sale. What improvements you should do, but more importantly, which home improvements you should avoid doing so that whatever you spend money on, every dollar is held accountable to the highest possible return. See, these are the principles that professional home sellers are consistently and religiously following, while those that are having less successful sales are often either shortcutting or not understanding the importance of. Now let me acknowledge this. They're selling a house and they're selling a house. They're selling it with headaches, delays, canceled escrows, and with potential issues down the line. And they're selling it where you're off and you never have to look back and feeling confident that you extracted the highest possible price from the market because you know you've done it the right way. So if you want to have the tools in order to beat this new market and have control over your home sale and dictate terms rather than having them being dictated to you, which is what most home sellers experience, I invite you to come to our home selling webinar. Hit the registration below and secure your seat, and I'll see you there.